we are obliged to answer a question. We can come to the conclusion and say, we don't know. Okay.
Could we also say that it says that we have to form an opinion on the question, and we could say that it's not a question.
My Lord, sorry.
So we could, I mean, it says that report its opinion on the question to the President.
Yes, my Lord.
So the question of law that's posed before us, we have to give an opinion. So one opinion could be that this is not a question of law.
That can be, my Lord. Your Lordship may say it is too vague for us to answer. It is not a question of law.
It would still constitute an opinion.
Your Lordship can, even if your Lordship comes to the conclusion.
But that response would also be an opinion.
That's an opinion.
Yes. And if your Lordship comes to the question.
We have to respond.
That a question is not properly phrased, but the meaning is apparent to your Lordships. Your Lordships can rephrase or reformulate the question.
Which we have done.
Yes.
Okay. As we have to form an advice for the President.
My Lord, this is in the nature of an advisory opinion, but according to your Lordship's jurisprudence and jurisprudence from other courts, this is binding. It virtually stands in the same rank as a judgment of this honorable court. So such an advisory opinion would be binding on all concerned.
On question of law, not on the question of facts.
My Lord, yes. My Lord, in this particular case, the question of fact, which was the execution of the person concerned, is now a question or is now an issue which cannot be reversed by this honorable court, unfortunately. What is before this honorable court is an issue with regard to the jurisprudence of this honorable court and a stigma which is there for all times to come on the reputation of that person, and an issue whether the judgment or the conclusion was fairly reached. And it is.
You have to address on this point also the conviction recorded, appeal was dismissed, review was dismissed, and then this is a question of law that has been posed to us to answer. So in that regard also whether this can be done, because if it is done, this can be done in every case.
My Lord, if your Lordship approaches it from the constitutional perspective, this possibly cannot be done in any other case. If your Lordship approaches it from the pure perspective of criminal law, it can possibly be done in every other case. So the question is, which is the perspective which your Lordship will use? My Lord, there is no other case, and it is perhaps for this reason that my Lord the Chief Justice issued a direction to summon the actual transcript of one of the interviews of one of the learned judges. This perhaps is a unique case in the jurisprudence from common law jurisdictions, where a judge who was part of the narrowest of majorities has thereafter himself given an interview, much after he has retired, no doubt, where he said that the judgment was a result of quote-unquote pressure and was...
Basically, the reasons of this reference is the interview broadcast by the television of Justice Naseem Hasan Shah.
My Lord, I am not privy to what formed the basis of the reason for this, because that only the...
We also called upon all the parties to submit the transcript of that interview, and I think notice was also issued to Geo Television to submit the CD of that.
I should just clarify at this juncture that Director News of Geo has sent this sealed envelope, which I have not opened, which probably contains some sort of a hard disk, I think. So,
must be
but you proceed as you want to, and if you want this to be shown or not shown, aap wo bhi bata dein, but some transcripts have also been attached. I have not had the time to go through them, but I think Farooq Naik Saab has filed transcript. फारूक नाइक साहब ने भी मेरे ख्याल में डिस्क लगाई है, यूएसबी भी है और डिस्क भी है,
ट्रांसक्रिप्ट है आपका रिकॉर्ड पे,
मैंने ट्रांसक्रिप्ट भी लगाई है, मैंने यूएसबी भी दी है।
पहले एक अमाइकस को हम सुन लें, फिर हम उस पे जाते हैं। या you want that to be heard for Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan? How would you like to proceed?
I would respectfully submit, because this is the key question in the reference, particularly with regard to the principle of nemo iudex. It will help us all, particularly the amici in this case, if this If this is in the form of a video disc, it is played, or if it is in the form of an audio disc, it is heard, so that at least we know.
ये हो सकता
No,
है
we can go through the transcript, and if we want to verify the validity and authenticity of the transcript, then we can play and we can see that interview, whether the words have been properly transcripted or not. So this is the way to see that.
My lord, it is not only your lordship, but it is also us, in order to make our submissions and to place them in a context that we need to know what is there.
My lord, may I?
अच्छा वो
may I
एक
make a
सेकंड
submission? May I
जब तक आप कंटिन्यू रखें वो the technical issues will be solved in the meantime.
My lord,
So please proceed.
may I make a submission? I have attached with the CMA a lot of interviews, lot of.
First, we will see what Geo has said.
Okay.
Because the primary source was that. Then, if required, we'll also see yours. We are just seeing we are just attending to the technical aspect. Let him continue.
Yes, there were also interviews given to various persons.
ठीक है, we will come to it, but let him continue.
I
We
will-
want to make progress.
Yeah, जब मैं argue करूंगा, I will like
Yes,
to
yes,
rely
yes.
on them.
Yes,
Rely on
yes.
them.